What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be swatches of the new Colourpop Superstar Loose Pigment eyeshadows. I have every shade that they came out with. There are 12 shades. I'm going to be using flat shader brushes. I have quite a few over here to use, and I will be using my Veramona color switch to clean off my brush. I will show you swatches dry, and then I will show you them wet with a setting spray. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. As always, I have a giveaway in every beauty video I do. This giveaway is going to be one of the loose pigment shadows of your choice. So when I pick the winner, you can DM me which color you like. I will order it for you and send it directly to you. Stay tuned for that, and let's get into it. Okay, I just want to quickly point out something. As I'm opening these, I noticed something very minute, but I find it so helpful and such a little detail that I am absolutely very excited for. Not sure if you guys experience this, but I open a lot of makeup, and sometimes when they have these kind of sifters on here and they place these round circular stickers, the tab to pull it off is usually buried down in here, and you gotta dig and dig with your nails. And if you have a little bit of length to your nails even, it's always a pain to get that out. They have the tab, I don't know if you can see on camera, but the tab extends past the lip, so it makes it super simple to grab and open, and you're not digging, and I really appreciate that little detail, so I wanted to mention it. Okay, we are going to go through these one by one. I'm going to do a dry swatch and then a wet swatch. They do recommend that you apply these wet, so don't judge the swatches by the dry ones. I'm going to tap off some in this the Veramona lid, just so it's easier for the video and I can work through them quicker. And I'm going to do the first 6, and then we'll do the next 6. I'm going to be using for the dry swatches my Makeup Geek foiled eyeshadow brush. And we're going to start with the very first one. It looks like dry. Up next, we have Weekend. There's nothing on my skin either. Next, we have Cameo. Next, we have this purple, which is Badlands. The gold, which is called Go Lightly. And lastly, we have Vertigo. The brush is clean, and it is dampened a little bit from the makeup wipe, and I'm going to take a little bit of my Milani setting spray and spray it up good. And we're going to start back to front. So we are going to grab Vertigo, pick it up wet, and apply it right next to its dry swatch. Pick some up. And this is Go Lightly. Pick up our next shade. We left off with the Go Lightly, which is the gold. We're going to go into the purple, which is this one right here, and it's called Badlands. And I see why they say to apply these wet. It's a world of difference. Up next, we have Cameo. Tap a little up. This is Cameo. Up next, we have Weekend. This color might not show up on camera. I'm going to pour a little more out just so you can see what it actually is. It's very light, and I have olive skin tone. I don't know if that shows up in the camera, but I don't want you to get a bad impression of it. It's very pretty. It's just pretty medium skin tone olive, and I want you to be able to see it. So I'm just going to grab a little more, just intensify it just a little bit so you can actually see the shade. It is very pretty, but I do have a darker skin tone, so I don't know if you can see it that well. If you're fair skin tone, this might look beautiful. And lastly, we have Baby Rue, which is a lavender. It's also very light. So here you have the first 6. We have Vertigo, Go Lightly, Badlands, Cameo, which is my favorite, Weekend, and Baby Rue. This is Typhoon, and we are going to go in dry. Up next, we have Lifted. I switched over to just another flat shader brush from e.l.f. Up next, we have Honey Pot. Oh yeah. Can't wait to see this one wet. Up next is Upshot. Next, we have Quicksand. Oh boy, what a mess already. So you can see I only blew off that excess. It isn't dirty. The ones underneath it, that's Quicksand. And lastly, we have Mulholland. Let's wet this brush and see what these guys look like wet. We're going to go into Typhoon. Oh, it has a nice little holographic pinky lavender shift. It's actually very pretty. Okay, this is Lifted. This is very pretty too. It's like a taupey purple. This is Honey Pot. Up next, we have Upshot. Next, Quicksand. And lastly, Mulholland. Okay, here you have them dry and wet. We have Mulholland, Quicksand, Upshot, Honey Pot, Lifted, and Typhoon. But that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found some colors that you like. Leave a comment down below if you're picking any of these up and what colors you're getting. Also, leave the hashtag Colourpop giveaway down below, and the winner will be able to choose whatever shade they want. I will order it for you, like I said, and send it directly to you. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel, and as I said before, I will be doing the entire spring collection, the butterfly collection, so stay tuned for that. I love you guys, and I will see you soon.